I am onion. I clean your blood paths. When you eat me, your heart feels happy and your blood flows better. I am onions and I support liver detox by boosting. They help the liver break down toxins more efficiently and reduce oxidative stress on liver cells. I am rich in prebiotics. These feed good gut bacteria, improve digestion, reduce bloating, and strengthen the gut lining. Onions contain quercetin and vitamin C, which help the body fight infections, reduce inflammation, and support faster recovery.